Sahyadri National School, Standard 3, Subject Science, Lesson number 5, Birds, Nets and Nestlings, Part 1. There are different kinds of birds having different types of dwelling habits. A nest is the home of a bird. Most birds build their nests to lay eggs and to keep their babies safe from enemies and weather. The nest holds the eggs close together so that they can be kept warm. Birds choose safe places to build their nest. Birds generally use grass, twigs, rags, feathers, cotton, wool, bits of paper, woods, hair, cloth, etc. to build their nests. For building nets, they carry these materials in their beaks. Children, look at this picture. Observe. Different kinds of nets. Different birds make different kinds of nets. So birds use grass, straw, twigs, pieces of cloth and threads to build their nests. See this. They use cotton also, then twigs also, sometimes straw, then sometimes pieces of cloths to build their nest. Birds build their nests to lay eggs and keep safe from enemies and weather. See how they have made their nest. It's really beautiful. So today we are going to see about different kinds of nests. Different birds makes different kinds of nests. So a weaver bird. So this is the nest of weaver bird. Second is about tailor bird. So like nest of tailor bird. Look at the picture. Third one about nest of a sparrow. And this is nest of a pigeon. Okay children. Now look at this picture and we are going to learn in details. Nest of weaver bird. See, this is the weaver bird. So a weaver bird weaves its nest from fine strips of leaves and grass. See, that weaver bird used fine strips of leaves and grass to prepare their nest. The nest hangs down from the branch of a tree. See, look at that nest. It's really beautiful. And the open end is towards the ground. The bird goes in and comes out through a tunnel like opening at the bottom of the nest. Look at this tunnel. It's tunnel like opening. So the bird goes in and comes out through a tunnel like opening at the bottom of the nest. Inside the nest there is a bend which prevents the eggs to fall down. Look at this. This little bit bend is there. So in that place birds prevents their eggs and that they can prevent it to and which prevents the eggs to fall down. Next is nest of a tailor bird. Look at the picture of tailor bird. Yes, sharp beak. So a tailor bird stitches leaves together with wool, string or thread from spider's web. It uses its sharp beak like a needle. So children, tailor bird has a needle, a sharp beak and it's look like a needle. So that bird can stitch the leaves and to prepare their nest. The nest is lined with grass, cotton wool and dried grass to keep it warm. It makes the nest cozy and comfortable. Nest of sparrow and pigeons. See, look at the sparrow, and this is a pigeon. You know this. It's common birds. We can see everywhere. But nowadays, the sparrows are in danger. So please, children, take care of their eggs. See, this is a nest of sparrow and this is a nest of a pigeon. So sparrow and pigeon make their nest on branches of trees or in windows and ventilators of houses and buildings or in some other places. Do you know, children, which bird is too lazy to build its own nest? Think on it. Bird is too lazy to build its own nest, and that bird cannot make their own nest. That bird use another bird's nest. Yes, it is cuckoo bird. So cuckoo bird cannot build a nest. Cuckoo is a bird. It is too lazy bird to build their own nest. Amazing fact. Our smallest birds make the smallest nest. See, hummingbird, it's the smallest bird. And this bird make a smallest nest. Look at this. Very small. Because that bird, hummingbird, it's a smallest bird. And children, we have already seen that hummingbird sucks the nectar, sucks the juice from the flowers or some from the flowers. Because that hummingbird has a needle-like beak. See that beak? It's a small beak. Because that bird is already small. So we can tell that very smallest bird and smallest nest. Clear, children? So let's revise what we have learned today. We saw that birds use grass, straw, twigs, pieces of cloth and threads to build their nest. We saw that sparrow. Okay, nest of sparrow. We saw that weaver bird. Okay, this is a weaver bird nest. Then we saw that nest of a teller bird. And we also saw about nest of a pigeon. Okay, today we have learned about these four birds' nests like weaver bird, teller bird, sparrow and pigeon. Okay, and which type of material they use to build their nest, that also already explained. Okay, children, let's stop here. But learning is not yet over. Many more surprises are waiting for you. We surely will meet next time. Till that, I want you all to read this lesson twice, write classwork in your notebook, and do your homework. Bye bye. Take care, children.